in this dream, our reactions create our reality. Things are going to happen, and how we respond to them determines whether we clear the blueprint of our wounding from our past and get to know ourselves, or just perpetuate the same conditions into each relationship or adventure that we have access to. There's a way to become very liberated in this place when you stop taking yourself so seriously. You develop a sense of humility and realize that you don't know what you're doing. You know, that there's so much more to this place than we could ever understand. And we pretend that we're content, but in reality, there's so much more that we desire. And, you know, that's where Toltecs come in and suggest that that desire comes from a great longing, that there is so much more to our being, but we've been cut off at the knees in a sense that we really do not know what we're capable of. We've been convinced that this is all there is. And it does take a really unique reclaiming of your focus and attention to start to glimpse into that more. And it doesn't require that you blast off into other worlds of power plants. You can gently enter these other layers just through breath work, silence, magical passes, gazing, just reading Castaneda or Taisha's book or Florinda's. Or there's other books as well. I mean, fiction, magical, fictional tales that are more liberating than any nonfiction book could be. We get to borrow from these powerful poets and magicians of the world that have left their writings with us. We can use them as a means to jolt ourselves, to be moved, inspired. And there's an energy being lent that we can learn to de-armor enough to receive, and will guide us. That's the difference between manifesting and guidance, is that you're listening instead of trying to create something that you at one point thought was the thing that you needed to be doing. So just being really careful and slow. And then when you get clear, then you can really go fast. You can act and start creating. But until then, it's, you know, that the universe will align with your timing and speed and your intent as you get to know the territory of reclaiming your power. Much love.